This video mainly introduced Selector category widgets. Spin box, combo box. Text selector. ND slide menu. First, let's introduce the spin box widget. Most of its properties are similar to the edit widget, so only brief explanations will be provided. Min and max refer to the minimum and maximum values, which support negative values, but only become effective when the input value type is either integer or float. Step is the increment or decrement step value, which defines how much the value changes when the up or down button been clicked once. For example, with a step value of 5 been set, one time clicking the up or down button will increase or decrease the value by 5. When the value goes below the minimum or exceeds the maximum, it will automatically be adjusted to the closest valid value, either the minimum or the maximum. Tips is the text that appear when the text field is empty. It is not restricted by the input type. Action defines what happens after pressing the Done key on the keyboard. You may choose either Done or Next. Keyboard can be activated by users. However, users need to add keyboard on the project first. Read-only defines whether the widget is read-only. Once it has been checked, the keyboard will not pop up. When the input type is set to password, and the password visible option been checked, the password will be displayed. If unchecked, it will display asterisks instead. Now, let's have a look of Combo Box widget. The properties are similar as Spin Box, so detailed explanations will be provided. The key difference is Options, which is a set of sequential values used for drop-down selection. You may refer to the example from this video. Select Index is the default option. Referring to the example of this video, when set to 2, the default option will be the second item. Item Heights defines the default height of the dropdown. According to the example of this video, the default height is 50. If you want to check the appearance, you need to scroll down in the display hardware or check from debug mode. Next, we would like to introduce you the text selector widget. First, mask color defines the color of the mask, which transitions from the edges towards the center. Select Index is the default index, meaning the default selected option. Visible number refers to the number of visible options in the widget. You may see the effect by following the settings from this video. The selectable options are 1, 3, or 5. Once loop been selected, the last option will automatically loop back to the first one. Options support numeric types, like the default range of 1 to 12. It also has similar option settings as the combo box widget and can be customized based on users' project needs. Next, let's talk about the slide menu widget. First, drag the widget to the appropriate size. In the left project panel, right-click to add subwidgets as needed. After adding the subwidgets, adjust the size of the widget to ensure proper displaying effect. Min scale refers to the minimum scaling ratio. The value range is from 0.1 to 1, with 1 meaning no scaling. Value refers to the current default value. Align V allows users to choose the vertical alignment method. There are different alignment methods, each of them performs slightly different effects, which you may find them from this video. Selected index is the default index, starting from 0. We have completed the introductions of Selector category widgets, and thanks for watching.